I've got a few things you must know before you leave your house with your gun. But before I break them down, here's a quick reminder. We have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. So just click the link in the description down below to see which brand new gun you could win. There are a few things you need to remember before you leave your house with your gun. The first and most important thing is that your gun and your concealed carry permit give you no special powers. You will not become better, stronger, or faster just because you have a gun, and your permit does not mean that you can ignore any laws. Just the contrary. You need to pay even closer attention to the laws. Your gun is only a tool, and you will only be as good as your lowest level of training. Under stress, we do not rise to the occasion. We default and fall to our lowest level of training. Some criminals just don't care that you have a gun. There are criminals on the street who steadfastly believe that you will not use your gun and they will try to attack you anyway. Your gun is not Captain America's shield. It will not protect you. You must protect yourself with your gun. So you must have the training and the mental preparation to use your gun effectively. If you don't, you will likely get killed with your own gun. If you ever use your gun in self-defense, your life will be torn apart. You can expect to deal with the legal issues, psychological issues, and physical issues even if you win the gunfight and your actions were completely justified. Using a gun to defend yourself has a huge impact on your life. But remember, it's better to be alive and deal with that impact than to be killed by a criminal. Just understand that the real-world self-defense incidents are not like what you see on TV. They don't just end. The aftermath drags on for months or even years. So you may think you are a responsible gun owner because you have checked all the boxes, followed all the laws, and bought a good holster and a nice strong belt. But there's more to carrying a gun. Carrying a gun changes your life from the first moment you put that gun on your hip. And if you ever have to use your gun in self-defense, you will likely be in for a protracted set of problems that will not stop with the legal issues surrounding your actions. So be ready. You're pulled over by the police and you're carrying concealed. Do you need to do anything special in this scenario? Like tell the officer you have a gun. Click this video right next to me and I'll break down that scenario step by step on what you should do.